I'm sending shots, these niggas they old. That boy rare, you know that he told. Like a granddad, I walk with that pole. Nike check from my head to my toe. Wait.
So here we have a Mopar, probably was at a takeover meet. Well, it looks like it's a closed off meet, so that's good. Does sound good though. What's your guys' opinions on Mopars? I mean, I like LS better, but Mopar interiors and their OEM colors, superb. This one does sound good though too. Alright, this is definitely like Saudi Arabia or something, like them little Pathfinder patrol cars that they got. I know you know what I'm talking about. This thing is sick. Rotaries, probably a top 3 sounding engine. LS, 2JZ, and rotary, they're all 3 up there. I'd have to go LS first, 2J second, rotary third though. Put in the comments the order that you guys do. I mean, that's one way to light fireworks. Alright, another poll question. R32, 33, 34, or 35? I think I'm going to go with an R32. Let's see what car they hit. Or catch on fire. To me, Mustangs just don't sound the best. I mean, it don't sound bad, but it's just like loud. There's no tone, it's just loud. Alright, I can guarantee you the motor that's in this did not come with this car. And this right here is probably one of the best sounding 350Zs I've ever heard. Could be one of the best sounding cars I've ever heard. Honestly, this thing sounds insane. This rotary RX-8 sounds disgusting as well. Not a Honda fan, but this does sound good. Probably one of the nastiest E92s on the planet. I'm assuming that's a McLaren. Sounds absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna have to go with the first one. I give this like a 2 out of 10. It doesn't sound that good in my opinion. mean, it's stock. Just the exhaust on it. Nothing else. Alright, this Challenger is legit Need for Speed in real life. Hitting nitrous. This is like crazy. No words. Also crazy. And it's crazy. Like for me, I wouldn't want my car shooting flames like that because my luck it would catch on fire, and then that's all she wrote. Alright, this sounds disgusting. Whatever this little import is, I'm not sure. It kind of looks like a man. It sounds pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. They went a little overboard on the Christmas decorations, in my opinion. One nasty SUV. It sounds insane. Alright, this is wild. I'm telling you, rotaries just sound incredible. Literally sounds like an AK-47 in Afghanistan. Once again, it's stock. Like, the thing just sounds absolutely insane.
Let's see if he's shooting them flames.
He is, in fact, shooting them flames and some smoke. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of some crazy sounding exhaust compilation, whatever you want to call it. Until next time, peace out.